All right, this is why I think the Beta FPV Champion 65 is the best for the money. This thing only weighs 17 grams. It has 36,000 kV motors. It's super nimble and fast out of the box. I mean, just set up your binding phrase or whatever you want, however you bind it, and rip this thing. It is a lightning bolt out there. To build a quad like this, you're going to be spending a lot more. I've got a ton of 65s, and this thing just, none of my 65s compare to this. The only 65 I don't have is the race spec that's comparable to this, so I'm not comparing it to the race spec because I haven't gave that a shot yet. But all the other 65s I've given a shot, and the Champion's just the Champion. The Racer is another great one, but it's not as fast as the Champion. So I mean, if you're looking for pure speed and just ripping, the Champion's it. My custom build cost a lot more to put together, and it's not as fast as this. But then again, I didn't build it to be as fast as the Champion, but it's just for the raw power. If you're looking for raw power, freestyle, the Champion is it. It is an animal compared to the other 65s. So that's why I think that the Beta FPV Champion is the best really you can get for the money. I mean, if there's another one out there, let me know, because I want to order it and try it. Like I said, custom builds are different, but for bind and fly, I don't think you can find a better 65 than this. Now let's talk about the durability of this. Now on all Beta FPVs, the frames are pretty weak. I mean, I've wrecked this quite a bit. I've already broken the front post off the frame. The canopy's busted. But I mean, what do you expect? This thing is so fast. When it hits hard, you know. They're super lightweight, and I mean, all the Beta FPV's frames break real easy, so you kind of gotta expect that when you're getting one of these. I switched a lot of my quads over to the light AF frame by Newbie Drone and a TPU print. I just like it. I don't gotta replace the prints, you know, replace the canopies all the time, but you know, they're pretty easy to find. The frames for these, they're pretty inexpensive. They're like $5 or $6 from Weebleed. The durability might not be the best, but I mean, I guess what can you really expect from a Tinywhoop? Especially going that fast. When you crash into something, like I said, it hits hard. It hits hard if you're going fast.